Peace family, welcome to our Monday analysis. So let's analyze Nasdaq. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to 4 hour. What's happening with this thing? We are on an uptrend on a weekly. So let's go to 4 hour. Let me do this and find our support and resistance, and then let me take this out. So on a 4 hour, we have this zone right here. This one here being a resistance, so here being a support. So let's go to hourly. So on an hourly, I'll expect the market to go all the way up. My first TP will be right here. Right here. And potentially my second TP will be right here. Okay. That's my analysis for Nasdaq. And then let's check GBPJPY. And then let's go to our weekly time frame and see the overall trend. Zoom out. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then it seems like we're heading towards the price right here. Let's go to our 4 hour and find our support and resistance. Delete this. And then let's go to hourly. I think on an hourly, the structure is much clearer. Okay, so on an hourly, we have this zone right here. So it's possible that the market is going to come all the way down up to here. But we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. And if this doesn't happen, then something like break here, retest, and then all the way to up here, up to here. Okay, that's my analysis for GBPJPY. And then let's go to EURJPY. So the trend for EURJPY and GBPJPY are the same. They are on an uptrend on a weekly. And let's analyze. So we have this zone right here, and with this zone right here, right here. So what I'm going to expect, since we're consolidating around here, if it's possible that we break, retest, and then sell. My potential TP is going to be right somewhere here. And then if this doesn't happen, then I'll wait to clear up these areas, and then wait for break, retest, and then buy around these areas here. So my potential TP is going to be right here. Can I close like it close TP, but it's fine. It's alright. It's going to be right here until I see something like break, retest, and then continue. But that's my analysis for EURJPY. And then let's go to gold. Then let's go to weekly. So for gold on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then it's possible that we're heading towards this price right here. Then let me take this out. Let's go to 4 hour. And then let's find our support, even our resistance. So let's go to hourly. I think on hourly we can find a clear structure. So last week I analyzed that we have this zone right here, here being a support, here being a support, and then we finally broke our support. So I was actually waiting for the market to go all the way down, but that didn't happen. So what I'm going to expect now to look out for is for me to clear up these areas right here. Then I'll expect a break, retest, and then up to here. Right there. Okay, that's my analysis for gold. And then let's go to EURUSD. I was actually happy about how EURUSD turned out since from Friday. Okay, let's go to analyze on a weekly. On a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour and find our zones. Let me take this out because it can be disturbing at times. Okay, So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right here. So here being a support, we broke our support, came in and retest our support, now being a resistance. So now this is being a resistance. Let's go to hourly. So it's possible that we can come retest, break and retest, and then up to here. Up to there. But if this doesn't happen, then we have this zone here. So what we can have is like a double top. And then sell up to here. Okay, that's my analysis for EURUSD. And then let's check USDJPY. Then let's go to our weekly time frame. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then it's possible that we are heading towards this price right there. Let's go to our 4-hour and find our support or even our resistance. So on a 4-hour, we have this zone right here. And then let's go to hourly. Okay, let me fix up my zone. Yeah, right there. So it's possible that this pair can come all the way up to here, maybe even give us a young double bottom and then go all the way up to here, or even potentially even here. But we'll see how the market is going to play out. But if this doesn't happen, then I'll expect a break and retest and then up to here, because anything can happen. Anything can happen with these markets. So let's go to our last pair, which is GBPUSD. For GBPUSD, okay, I'll repeat what I said since from last week. So I'm having this trend line as my resistance, this trend line is my support. Okay, and inside this channel we have left shoulder, head, then right shoulder. So we have an inverse head and shoulder. So we have this zone right here. So we have break, retest, and then it's potential that we can go all the way up. In fact, I'm tempted to enter right here, but I said that I'm going to wait. Just wait. I'm just going to wait for me. Just wait for break here, retest, and then potential to maximize on this pair. But for here, now I'm just going to wait. But I'm waiting for this. Okay. That's it for the Monday analysis. Tap in.